Okay, so we'll perform over here 8085 practical on 8085 Dynakit. So first we'll perform the sum of series of numbers. So here the series length will be at 2400H. So we are assuming we have 5 numbers. The series will begin from 2401, 2402, 2403, 2404 and 2405. Okay, so we have 5 numbers: 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So the total of this is 15. Because the numbers will come in hex number, you will get 0FH. So here you have to store the result at 2300H. So you will get 0F at 230H. So now we'll see the program. First, LDA 2400H. So the length of series, which is 5, will goes to the accumulator. Next, move C, A. So C here consider as a counter. So the 5 will move to the register C. Now the series begins with 2401, which will goes to the HL register pair. MVI A, 00H. The register A will set to 00. Now the first operation will be 00 plus 05. So here we'll write add M. Add M means the contained of accumulator plus the contained of HL pair. So the contained of accumulator is 00 plus the contained of HL is 05. The result will store in accumulator, which is 05. INX-H. INX-H means I am incrementing the next memory location and whatever the content is going to be added next. Decrement C. So the counter set to 5, which will decrement by 1. Jump if not 0 to 2009. If counter is not reached to 0, it will jump to 2009 over here. Again he will add the contained of M, which is 04 plus the contained of accumulator, which is 5. So my answer will be now 9. So this will be goes on till 24005. So the final answer will be in accumulator, which will be 0F. Now you have to store this result at 2300H. So I am writing STA 2300H. So the contained of accumulator will goes to 2300H, RST1 to stop the program. Now we'll see how it runs on the kit. So the first step is to reset. Enter the first memory location, which is 200H. So 2000. Next, now the first hex code is 38. So write 38. Next, 00. Next, 24. Till you have to enter CF. As you reach to CF, you have to increment one more memory location. So this is the first step to enter the program. The second step, you have to enter the inputs. So the first input is the length of series, which is at 2400, which is 5. So I'll enter 05. Next, the next number is 05. So again I'll enter 05. Next is 4, 3, 2 and 1. So increment again one more memory location. The third step is to execute. So again reset, go, starting memory location of your program, which is 200H, and press this dot. If you get UP85, that means there is no error. The last step is to check the output. Reset, again enter the memory location where you will get the answer. So here 2300H, where you'll get 0f, which is nothing but 15. Thank you.